Well, first up on the dyno this morning is this Colt CZT Black Hawk. As you can tell by its stripes, it's pretty clean and it's got some modifications on it. So we'll go through these mods in a moment. I can't get my words out, and I've got forecast about today, haven't we, Rich? So better get on with it. Okay, so before the initial dyno run, let's have a look at some of these mods. Wow, Eden, you do some quality work. Look at that. That's a beautiful Gizfan manifold. We've got an AM induction kit, some forge hoses. We've got the wrong dump valve, but we're going to map with what we've got today. It's not the valve, and this by itself might hold us back today, but we're gonna map it anyway. It's got a Scorpion. It says Scorpion back box, so I'm gonna have a look and see what the rest of the exhaust system's like. But yeah, it's looking all right, isn't it? CZT, big shout out to the owners club. Standard. So it looks like we've got a standard dump pipe. I'm gonna have a quick look under the. Oh god, I'll just do it now, shall I? Back in now. Standard cat. So both cats look to be still in place. So meow. Meow. Charlie says, before you go off, tell your mummy. Or something along those lines. God, I wonder how long Keith's been dead now.
It's a few years, you know.
Is it?
Yeah, they were supposed to be doing a film, weren't they? To commemorate him, but I think obviously with COVID and whatever else, things have obviously not happened.
Yeah.
But doing the story of a Prodigy sort of almost from the beginning sort of thing.
Big Prodigy fans here, guys, if you didn't already know.
Be an interesting watch, I think.
Emotional as well. Right, okay, so standard power run, here we come. Let's see what we make. How are you this morning, Rich?
It's not as hot today.
No, it's not. It's nice and cool.
Well,
It's nice and cool for the week that we've been having, for sure. We've got 4 cars to map today, Rich. We're going to go on and on and on about it. Nah, plenty of time. I know one of them's not coming till 4. Oh, of course. I've got my legs out.
Got my arse out.
Ah, it's not a bad arse, Rich.
Yeah. Right.
Right, let's do a power run. Okay, so Richard has installed the base file, which is where we start, and we start data logging and tuning. So this will give us our initial punch and let us see that everything's working and in its correct order. And from this point forward, we're doing power runs and data logging and tuning as we go. that's the interior back together. We are completed on this Black Hawk CZT. And it's done okay. It's as near as damn it to 200 brake horsepower. So that's a great little initial tune. Obviously, there's things that can be improved upon, and we're not being negative, but we're trying to help everybody else out there. So obviously, forge valve, split R, not the way to go. The Forge RS has always performed better than one of these, but there's many different brands of dump valve that you can use on the market, including Turbo Smart, the GFB, even the GFB Hybrid would be a better option than this one. But customer's been all advised, and we've mapped it. So as far as I'm concerned, as if he leaves the car alone, it'll be fine forever. It has still got 2 cats in. And as Richard will always explain on the videos, that's a flow restriction. Eden's manifold is absolutely beautiful. It flows as well as you're ever going to get, but it's going to be backed up with that first pre-cat, and that first pre-cat is the first restriction in the exhaust, and therefore costing us power today. But yeah, not a bad one. Rich, anything to add?
No, I don't think so.
No, don't think so? Okay, well there's another...
You've covered it.
Oh, I have covered it. Oh, check me out. Yeah, so
Have you used the word calibrate?
I haven't used the word calibrate.
Well,
But you've said it.
Now, so
You said it, and if you guys don't know what the word calibrate means, obviously, you can always check that on Wikipedia, because that's what I did.
Yeah.
I'm only joking. Right, so thanks for sticking around to the end of the video,
How many
guys.
years is there in a decade?
I've been watching those videos as well, mate. I've been watching those videos. Very funny this morning. Yeah, so there you go. Mitsubishi Colt CZT in the bag. He's going to go and enjoy this now, and I'm pretty sure we'll see it again at some point with further modifications. Looking forward to it. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, guys, and we'll see you on the next video, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed. Well, we would. We would see you on the next video, but I've not actually finished this video yet because I forgot to show you the printout. So here's the printout. So as you can see, red line is as it came in, blue line is as it leaves. A little bit of a flow restriction at the end there due to the pre-cat still being in place, but the gains that we have made are just shy of 200 brake horsepower final, 214 foot-pound of torque. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Ciao.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.